Hi, Room 14. It's Miss Hamlet. Hi, TJ. Hi, Zaire. Hi, Josh. Hi, Ricky. Hi, Ez. Hi, Yaman. Hi, Jackie. I miss you guys. I know you're having a great time at home with Mom. Up next, we've got Room 14 mail. Here we go. Your challenge this week, your STEM challenge this week is to build a basketball goal out of Play-Doh and pipe cleaners. Can you do it? Watch me. All right, so here's my ball. Get my Play-Doh. Now you can use this any way you want. You can make a basketball goal, but I'm going to use it for a stand. Take my pipe cleaner, wrap it around here to make a hoop. It's not very sturdy, but you get the idea. Can you make a basket? Ooh, no. Try again. Yeah, 2 points. Pretty silly, huh? I can't wait to see yours. Bye, guys. Be good. Wash your hands.